Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Healthy Hair 101, the heart of holistic health, fitness, and vibrant hair journeys on all things related to the health of your hair. I'm Sarah, your friendly guide on this journey to a healthier and happier you. Today we're diving deep into the world of vitamins for vibrant hair. We'll explore essential nutrients for lustrous locks, discuss the importance of a balanced diet, and even touch on some DIY hair masks. So let's get started. Our hair is a reflection of our overall health, and vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining its vibrancy. A balanced diet rich in essential nutrients can help strengthen your hair from the inside out. Protein, for instance, is a building block for hair. Vitamin A aids in the production of sebum, which keeps our scalp moisturized and our hair healthy. Vitamin E, on the other hand, helps prevent oxidative stress and boost hair growth. Biotin, a B vitamin, is often associated with hair health and is found in many hair care products. Iron helps red blood cells carry oxygen to our hair follicles, promoting growth and preventing hair loss. Zinc plays a vital role in hair tissue growth and repair. If our daily videos are becoming your go-to for all things health and hair, show some love by hitting like and subscribe to always stay updated. Besides a balanced diet, you can also nourish your hair externally with DIY hair masks. Avocado, rich in vitamins B and E, can help strengthen and protect your hair. An egg mask can provide a protein boost, while honey can add moisture and shine. Nature-inspired remedies can also be a great addition to your hair care routine. Aloe vera, for instance, can help soothe the scalp and promote hair growth. Coconut oil is a fantastic natural conditioner, and tea tree oil can help combat dandruff. So, there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the world of vitamins for vibrant hair. Remember, a balanced diet, coupled with some DIY hair masks and nature-inspired remedies, can do wonders for your hair health. So, let's cherish and nourish every strand and celebrate the beauty of our luscious locks. Until next time, keep shining and stay beautiful.